everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Delene and today I have an unboxing to do. So as you can tell in the title what it is, this came in this bag here. I got this box here. Now I noticed in the YouTube videos when other people are unboxing the Bandeaus, they don't come in this box here. It comes in a long flat one, so I don't know why I got this one. I guess they ran out of the boxes for the Bandeaus. But oh my goodness, here it is. I think this is so cute. I love the color of this Bandeau. It's like a nudish pink. I guess it's a rose color. And I think it is so pretty. It is the Bandeau in the BB size. And on this side here, it's monogram, which I love. That's one of the reasons why I picked this one. And also this is the new limited edition, the Stories. It's the same collection from my city pouch that I did a review on, and I love that thing. I think it is so cute. And look at this. This is so gorgeous. I mainly bought this for my Almas. I have the Alma PM in the bean, and then I have the this gorgeous one here. And I love this Alma BB because it doesn't scream out Louis Vuitton, but sometimes I do want to add some color to this bag besides the pom-pom that I put on there. So I definitely wanted this piece for that. I haven't really practiced at all how to put this thing on, but I'm pretty sure that I will learn quickly. I guess there's a lot of YouTubers who have purchased things like this. So I did a little quick thing real quick, and I thought that was real cute here. I mainly want to learn how to tie a bow on there. I don't know if I like it where it goes all the way across, but I think that is so cute, and I am so glad I got this. The price point on this is not bad, especially since I had built-up points for Saks, and I usually spend it as I go, so I only had $75 that can go towards this, so that paid for a majority of it, but the price point is $170 in American dollars, of course. And let me show you what this bag looks like on. I think it is so cute. This is not going to be a long video. I just wanted to show you what I got here. So anyways, let me move my chair. Okay, there we go. So here we go. I think this adds so much to my cute bag. And I don't normally carry my bag like this. I don't like it as a crossbody. I only use it when I have to, but I do love carrying my Alma BB like this, and I think this stands out, and I think it's gorgeous. It is so pretty to me. So there you go. I do want other Bandeaus in the BB size eventually. I do want one with trunks on there, only because the fact that that is definitely is a Louis Vuitton deal, so the trunks. And I think this one is so pretty. They do have this one in the black background, but this pink one to me stands out so much. The other one is very colorful and very bright, and it would have still looked great on my BB, on my black one. But this one here, pink is like one of my favorite colors. I just adore pink. Loved it since I was a little girl. So anyways, this is my short video. Let me know what you think about my Bandeau, and you guys take care and have a wonderful day, and God bless you.